Hey, what's up everybody, Mr. B here, and today we are talking about the Kata Kusan-ku. For those of you that are moving up through ranks in our studio, this is the kata that will get you promoted to second degree brown. I love this kata, but it is a marathon. It is a long one. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. When you're performing this one, I like to move forward just a little bit in the ring, mostly because this kata falls back a lot, and you will even end up probably 2 or 3 stances behind you when you're done. So from here, our courtesy, always the same, just a simple bow, nothing too crazy there. And then we're gonna go ahead and move into our first move. We're gonna step left into a back stance and chop. From here, we're gonna step right into a back stance and chop again. From here, we're gonna move our left foot to our right foot into a neutral stance as we do this inside parry palm block. From here, we're gonna go ahead and push our left hand out in a heel palm, and then we're gonna do a left front snap kick. Here, we're gonna drop back into a right forward stance. We're gonna pivot as we punch. We're gonna outward block, and we're gonna punch again with our left hand. From here, we're gonna do a twisting kneeling stance. So I'm gonna twist my front foot and take this angle as I drop here into my left outward block. From here, I'm gonna reach straight out. I'm gonna push back, right to left. I'm gonna reach my right hand out as a present, and then I'm gonna go ahead and side kick right as I land in my chop left. From here, I'm gonna step forward and chop right, chop left again, step forward and spear, and that is where we do our first asai. Now, from here, we're gonna drop our left hand and raise our right hand up. We're gonna cut left, and we're gonna turn all the way to the rear. We're gonna do a left rising block and a right inside hand sword. From here, we're gonna do a rear leg front snap kick. We're gonna turn, drop into an elongated forward stance as we heel palm into the groin. We're gonna grab and rip as we stand. We're gonna step back and clear, and we're gonna punch. From here, we're gonna step back, okay? Left hand out, side kick, step, and elbow sandwich. From here, we're gonna pull, other side, right hand out, right side, elbow sandwich. We're gonna cut here again. So this is that first movement where we drop our left hand, raise our right hand, and then as we come through, we're gonna go ahead and chop right here. From here, we're gonna go ahead and do a right leg front snap kick. We're gonna turn, elongated forward stance as we heel palm. We're gonna pop up. We're gonna step back and clear and drop into our horse stance as we punch. From here, we're gonna shoot straight to the left on a straight angle here, and then we're gonna shoot through and chop on a 45. We're gonna chop right straight and then left 45. From here, we're gonna drop back. Again, that's a nice little move, left hand on bottom, right hand on top, and we're gonna inside hand sword as we turn. Now, this one changes a little bit. Rear leg front snap kick into a right leg forward san shin as we back knuckle with our right hand. From here, we're gonna do a big clear out with our right hand. We're gonna step back, we're gonna punch left, and we're gonna punch right. Now, from here, left cat as we do this double rooftop block right here with our hands open. Now, this is one of the best parts in the whole kata. From here, we're gonna go ahead and step drag into a reverse crane as we back knuckle. Then we're gonna go ahead and drop all the way to the floor here as we hit the floor. From here, we're gonna pop up, low ridge hand into the groin area, and we're gonna step through and spear asai here. From here, we're gonna open up, left chop, kick out, punch right, punch left, chop right, punch left, punch right. We're gonna go feet together, hands out, side kick, land in the left chop. Now you're gonna go ahead and take a step with the right foot, lunge, punch right here, asai again. Now from here, we're gonna go ahead and turn and deflect. We're gonna step all the way around, back knuckle, downward block, grab, elbow sandwich, double ready, downward block right, cross punch with the left. From here, we're gonna go ahead and press. We're gonna bring our high knee around, elbow sandwich left. We're gonna present left high, pump once, pump twice. From here, we're gonna go ahead and drop down, hit our horse stance with a low X lock, and then we're gonna pop up high, high X lock, hands open. We're gonna step back with our right foot. We're gonna turn into a right forward stance, and this is a pulling double outward block. From here, we're gonna go ahead and jump forward, lunge punch, asai again. Left foot comes around clockwise, kusan-ku. All right, guys, so that is it, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that we have a couple of angles filmed out on this, but I really hope this helps prepare you for your next rank. Until next time, train hard, fight fast, score first. Asai.